That is cool. How many seats are in here? It's a cockpit, got a little first aid kit, all kind of. Yeah, that's really cool.
It'll fit 10 passengers.
10 passengers. What are these? The blades?
Yeah, the rotor blades.
The rotor blades?
Yeah, rotor blades, and then the box underneath is the stabilizer for the back. And then these boxes back here, those are the rotor blades.
The rotor blades. That's cool, man.
These are tail blades.
Those are the tail blades right there?
Well, not here.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the tail blades.
Right, right. That's really cool, man. Sweet. Let me get a picture of the front of it.
Sure. Go ahead.
All right, yeah, man. Thank you so much. Said it was a civilian plane. Black Hawk. Pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, see you in the next one. Alright guys, that was the Black Hawk helicopter. The other day I filmed that when I was installing my air filter, and guy walked over to my truck and he said something funny. He's like, would you quit it with all that ruckus or something like that? And then he was like, you know, it's just nice to see other people working on their truck, and you know, if you need any tools, then you know, let me know. But he had a really cool setup. He had the stretch sleeper. You know, he had the lowboy with the helicopter sitting on there, and yeah, he had it going on. So I thought it was pretty cool. And he was nice enough to, you know, open up the doors and let me take a look inside. And I just thought it was pretty cool, man. I didn't even realize he was sitting there at first, and until I finished doing my air filter, and then I realized what he was hauling. I was like, oh shit, that's a Black Hawk. So anyways, he let me do a walk around, let me see inside, and yeah, so let me know if you guys do any kind of specialized freight in the comments below. Over here at Landstar, I do hazmat loads. I do, you know, tanker stuff, anything that could fit in a 53-foot dry van. You know, I've done blocking and bracing. We got the E-Tracks. I went to U-Haul before to rent pads and, you know, all that kind of stuff. So I've done my fair share of load securement, but I've never done any specialized type of freight. So anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys later.